What's happening, everybody? This is Royce and Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out the third release of the Hot Wheels display case. The third release contains the 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser, as can be seen up in the right corner up here of the screen. And that is mainly what we're going to be taking out of the box and checking out. Since I do have a video, and I'll put a link there, of the display case itself review. I don't think they changed anything with it. Still has the orange stripe at the bottom and the Hot Wheels logo embossed in the back and all that good stuff. They are really nice. I think they're worth the money. They have gone up, I think, $1 or $2 since I bought the last couple. But if you can get these for $49.99 or whatever it is off of Amazon, it's free shipping. You can't beat them. I do want to order a fourth one because then I'll have 4 and I can stack them like on the one wall that I want to do. So anyway, we'll get started here. Let's open this up. Pretty excited about. I just got this in the mail last night. Thankfully, it wasn't stolen off the porch. When I got home, it was pretty obvious too, the way it was laying. It was out in the open. This time, thankfully though, Amazon at least wrapped a sleeve around it. The last two that I got, they shipped right in the Hot Wheels shipping container case, the brown, and that stood out like a sore thumb. When it's sitting there, if someone, you know, if someone's really interested in Hot Wheels, they're going to know right away when they see the black checkers on the box. They know what it is. And thankfully I don't really have any porch pirates that I know of around here, but they're prevalent in most places. All right, well, that was a pain in the butt to get out of there. It was had a vacuum pretty much, or static cling to inside the box there, and it was did not want to come out of there. So they have these packed pretty darn well, with those corner sleeves and all that. That's pretty hard, or be, you know, pretty hard to have one of these come to you all busted up, because they are packed pretty nicely. So we're going to take this out, and I do like, here you can hear how it closes. It seems like it'll really keep the dust out pretty nice, I think. Now they claim that these hold 50 cars. I did the math before on these. I remember my original review, unless they changed anything with them, I thought it was 48 cars that it holds. So I'm not sure where they're getting 50 from, but go ahead here and see if we can get this out of here. Sometimes these are pretty difficult to. They got them taped in pretty well. They don't want you getting it out, that's for sure, huh? But yeah, these are really nice for the money. I think they're nicer than I thought they would be. All right, so here we have the exclusive to this display case 55 Chevy gasser up on the turntable as Foxy barks in the background. I apologize for that. This car is worth it in my opinion. I mean, just to buy the display case. I know there's a lot of people buying the display cases just to get the car, and then they're selling the car for what the whole display case, or vice versa. They're selling, you know, you're keeping the car and getting rid of the display case. I've seen both instances. And some of the people don't like the case, some people don't like the car, some people like the car, you know, and all that good stuff. So it just depends on what you're looking for. I like both. I like the case and I like the car. This is a premium grade one, so it's all over metal base, metal body. Awesome graphics on it. Great wheel choice. I like the white lettered tires on the back, which it says Hot Wheels Race Team, I think is what it says. I'm pretty far away from the car right now, so my eyes aren't the greatest, but I think that's what it says. Yeah, this one's really cool, and the paint looks great on it. And if you have all the other gassers, I mean, this is pretty much a must-have in my opinion. I think it looks awesome. Now, all right, so now what we're going to do next is I'm going to bring up, there's the back. I'll bring up the other two display case exclusives and we'll put them together here. All right, so here we have all three display case exclusives together. The first one being the pickup truck in the back, the Chevy, which, as you can see, it says 50 on it for the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. I'm not sure why the yellow and black dots, and why didn't they do that in the red, white, and blue as well to match the other two, or I should say the first one, the Chevy pickup. It didn't make any sense to me. And seeing now that having them together, it looks really odd to me. I think if they would have done the Datsun in the Hot Wheels race team colors, I think everyone would have accepted it and would have thought it was pretty cool. The yellow and black, it's kind of ho-hum. Most people do not really care for it. And that's that. But it's cool to see all three together. Like I said, I just don't understand about the Datsun. That never made any sense to me why they did the yellow and black there with that one. But the truck is really, really well done. I love the red line tires on the truck. That's a must-have in my opinion too. That was another one. People were buying the cases and turn around trying to sell the trucks, or they probably were in fact selling the truck for $50 or $60. Same with the gasser. It's pretty much like you're getting your display case for free then, which is odd to me when you could just go on and order the whole case and everything yourself. But the gasser did sell out a couple times. I got in, I think I got it was the third time it appeared. I was able to jump on Amazon, and they kept giving me different dates. And anyway, I finally it showed up here yesterday. So there you go. That is the third release of the display case, and which contains the 55 Chevy gasser. This one, and I think that's pretty freaking cool. I'm sure you guys like that one too. And some of you guys are saying it's played out, which, you know, you can't really blame a company if something's selling well. They're going to keep the same formula going, you know, until they, you know, wear it out and run it into the ground, so to speak. But I think the gasser's here to stay for a while. That and some of the Datsuns, I think, are their #1 sellers. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free. You can't be free. Hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys next time. See you guys soon. All right, bye now.